Nishant, you don't have the class today. Nishant, no class today.
Should I
You
tell
can
you?
guide me. I will start doing it.
Okay, sir. So we make a triangle.
Just hold on a second. Just hold on a second.
Yes, sir.
Why my pen is not working? So he has to prove that this is a triangle A, B, C. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degree. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree. You have to prove it.
So
Yes.
can we name angle A as 1, B as 2, and C as 3?
Why don't you always do it as X, Y,
Okay, sir.
Z?
Okay, sir. So given is a triangle ABC.
Hmm.
To prove x plus y plus z is 180 degree.
Yeah, to prove this is to prove.
Proof. Sorry, construction. We
Okay.
have to make a parallel line
Hmm.
passing through A parallel to BC.
Okay, good.
Say PQ.
So PQ, you name it as PQ. So construct line PQ parallel to BC. Okay. So we
Yes.
have constructed. Now this is parallel to this. Now.
So we can name angle PAB as uh, P. No. 1 and angle QAC as 2.
QAC has 2. Okay, 1, 2.
Yes, sir. So angle 1 is equal to y.
So let angle PAB equals to 1, you are telling, and let angle QAC equals to 2.
Yes.
Correct? Okay, tell me now.
Angle 1 is equal to y, alternate interior angles.
Angle 1. Achha, when you say number, let's keep it theta and alpha.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Sorry. This is theta and this is alpha. Let me check everyone has joined or somebody is still there. Arishta, you are here?
Yes, sir.
Punya? Punya? Let me check. Nobody is there. Okay, nobody is there. Okay, so I said angle PAB as theta and angle QAC as alpha. So angle, we can say now what you're telling.
Theta is equal to y.
So theta equals to y. Angle theta is equals to angle y. Reason?
Alternate interior angles.
Alternate interior angle.
And
What he's telling, just let me explain to others.
yes.
So these two are parallel lines. PQ and BC are these are parallel lines. And AB is a transverse. So can we say this angle is equals to this angle? Everyone tell me whether we can say this or not. Or anyone has any doubt? Tell me now only. After finishing this, don't ask me how this angle is equals to this angle. Okay. Now tell me, Aditya.
Sir,
Yes, yes, Aditya Krishna.
so I didn't understand what is theta and what is alpha.
Theta, I have given the name. Angle PAB. This angle, I have given a name theta. Since I have given XYZ to this angle, so I have given another name, theta.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Aditya, did you understand, Aditya Krishna?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and this I have given angle QAC as alpha. This is known as alpha. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now Aditya Deshpande is telling that this angle is equals to this angle because it's an alternate angle. Then angle alpha is equals to angle Z, alternate interior angle, isn't it, Aditya?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now
Alpha plus x plus theta is equal to 180 degree.
plus
Angles on a
x
straight line.
plus theta is equals to 180 degree angle on a
Straight line.
straight line. Okay.
So
Then-
since we have already shown that alpha and theta are equal to z and y, so we can
we can
substitute.
replace substitute. So x plus y plus z is equals to 180 degree.
Yes.
Hence angle A plus angle B or angle C is equals to 180 degree.
Yes,
Is it
sir.
clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we can also do it by exterior angle property.
Wait. So this is clear. I struggle a lot on this digital pen. Okay. Now next is Rashri.
Yes, sir.
Prove that exterior angle is equals to interior opposite angle. Do you agree on this or not?
Yes, sir.
Exterior angle is equals to, if this is x, this is y, this is z, we can say x is equals to y plus z. A, B, C. Do you agree this or not, Rashri?
Yes, sir.
I disagree. You prove that I'm wrong. Prove it. You have
Okay,
to
sir.
prove it.
So for proof, we have to draw a line that is parallel to through BD.
From
Through
where?
point A.
Passing through A.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll draw. This line is parallel to this is a construction which you did. Construct XY parallel to BD. What was this?
Sir, the screen has become small, sir.
Is it? Let me make it
Sir,
big.
it says you have low bandwidth.
Yes, sir.
I have low bandwidth.
Yes, sir. It was
Yes,
saying
sir.
sapienseducation@gmail.com has low bandwidth.
Is it? Let me
sir.
increase it. Is it increased
Sir,
now?
maybe you
Now
can
it's
restart
increased.
your laptop.
Sir,
Pardon?
now it's proper, sir.
Now it's proper.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everything clear?
I can't see anything.
Sir, even I can't see
It's not
anything.
shown. Whiteboard
Even
is
I
not shown.
can't see. So.
Sir, even I can't see anything, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Now it came.
Now, has it come?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Rashri.
Yes, sir. Now we can
You-
say that.
Wait me. Just let me do the construction. You said I have to construct it, right?
It's okay, sir. No need that construction.
That's no need now.
Yes, sir.
You got it. Okay, ठीक है चलो. चलो, tell me. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. Angle ACB is equal to 180 minus x because of linear pair.
180 minus x because of linear. So we can say angle ACB equals to 180 minus x linear pair. Yes. Now.
Yes, sir. Sir, now from the previous proof, we can say that all the angles of the interior, all the angles of the triangle is 180 degree due to angle sum property.
So what I should write?
So angle y plus 180 minus x plus z is equal to 180.
Okay. Then
because of angle sum property.
Okay, because of angles of,
property.
or you can write sum of angles of a triangle is equal to
Yes, sir.
180. Okay, good. Go
Sir,
ahead.
so now we can take the 180 degree on that side. So it'll be 180, like 180 gets cancelled, and we shift x also that side. So it becomes plus x. So x is equal to y plus z. Yes, sir.
Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Sir, can you repeat it?
What he said, what you were supposed to prove, that x is equal to y plus z. Correct? You were supposed to prove this. Now what he said, this angle will be 180 minus x, linear pair. Aristan, you
Yes,
have to
I
tell me
understand.
yes, no. Okay. 180 minus x.
Yes, sir.
Now we know that this is a triangle. ABC is a triangle, and the sum of angle of a triangle is 180 degree.
Yes,
Just now
sir.
Aditya proved. So can we say y plus z plus 80 minus x is equals to 180 degree?
Yes, sir.
So now we have transposed it. So it has gone 180 becomes minus 180, minus x became plus x. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now 180 minus 180 gone cancelled. So what is left out? Y plus z is equals to x.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Please write. Hope you have written all the both the proving, because I will pick any one of you now and can ask you. Done. Should I go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
So
2
sir,
minutes, sir.
1 minute, sir.
1 minute, 2 minutes. So 2 minutes I'll wait.
Sir, I'm not able to see your screen because my net is very slow. So can you just tell me what are you doing?
Can you hear me or not?
Yes, I can hear you, sir.
So what I was telling, that you tell me.
So you were proving some triangle. So I can't see your screen. So can you just tell me which question are you doing, or from our?
Can you log in again? You
Yeah, I'll do that.
disable the mobile data, enable the mobile in again.
Okay, sir.
Done. Should I go ahead? Now next question is for you guys. The angles of a triangle are in the ratio of, the angles of a triangle are in the ratio of 4:5:6. Find the angles. Quick question. Tell me.
So could you repeat the question, sir?
So done.
All the angles of a triangle are in the ratio of 4:5:6. Find all the angles, all three angles.
So done.
Put it on chat.
So done.
Put it on chat.
So all the angles. The angle, all the angles,
All three angles of a triangle
or
are in the
only
ratio
the
of,
value of x.
I said find the angles.
Okay, sir.
Sir, it says I can't chat with.
Rashi, that's correct. Sir.
So it says I can't chat with you because you're not in this meeting.
Yes, sir.
I'm in this meeting.
Sir, I have no problem with it.
You got it, Neha? I have received yours.
Sir, even I am not able to.
Sir, it says that you're not in the meeting.
Yes, sir.
How come it be? Others are sending me.
No, sir.
Anyway, okay, I'll do it here. So answer is 48, 60, 72.
Yes,
So
sir.
how come?
Yes,
See,
sir.
angles are in the ratio of 4:5:6. So
Right,
can we
sir.
say angle are 4x, 5x, and 6x? Can we say this?
Yes, sir.
Now, sum of the angles is 4x plus 5x plus 6x will be what? 180.
180 degree.
So what will be 15x is equals to 180 degree. X is equals to 180 by 15 is
12. 12, sir.
so 15 ones are 15, 12. So this angle become 12 into 4, 48. Next angle become 12 into 5, 60. Next angle 12 into 6, 72. Got it? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Nobody has doubt. Next question. Next question is in a triangle ABC, 2 angle A equals to 3 angle B equals to 6 angle C. Find angle ABC. Find angle ABC. Those who are done, just you cannot put it on chat, please raise hand.
So for me, it's still coming that sapienseducation@gmail.com is not in the meeting, sir.
I said raise your hand then. Now see, put it on chat, see whether it is coming or not.
No, sir.
Still not coming.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Strange.
Yes, sir. Now I'm able to.
Sir.
So for me, it's
Bhanupriya.
still coming. Sapienseducation@gmail.com is not in the meeting.
You have to send it to Sir Sapiens Education.
To whom he is sending them?
No, so now there are like you can send to anybody. So then I put it into Sapiens Education.
Then that's why you have to put it there. Why you guys are none of the answers are correct? Why it is so?
I sent it. Is it correct?
You are giving answer for the first question or second question?
I sent second one also.
No, you send all three angles. You don't have to send only one. You have to send all three angles.
Okay.
Aditya, all three answers. Who is with PC?
Yes, sir. I'm sending.
Who is with PC? Name
Sir,
PC.
me, sir.
Oh, sorry, Siddharth. Siddharth's not right answer. You are doing the second one or first one?
No, sir. First one, it was there
First-
in my chat. I sent it. Sir.
Okay, okay. Okay, now send the second one.
So I sent it. Is it correct?
Sia, you are perfectly all right. Sahil, you have given only one angle. You have to give all three answers. Until as I don't see all three angles, I will not say. Sia, she is the first one who has given the right answer.
So I sent 3 angles. Is it correct?
I have where I am now Aditya, I got it. Now it's correct.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Others?
So I sent it.
You send me again.
Okay, sir.
Sahil, you have to send me all 3 angles. Yes, angles by 6x by 6 is equal to 30. Why you are giving so many statements? You have to give 3 angles only, Sahil. You don't write full statement. All angles are 60. Wrong, Ashish. How all angles can be 36? Angle A is equals to 3, angle B is equal to 6, angle C. How can all
Oh,
three
so
be equal?
I sent first one. Sorry, I sent 2. Okay.
Ashish, you have to send all 3.
Okay, sir.
Only angles. Don't write statement anything. I got Sia correct. Sia got correct. Aditya got correct. Only 2. Where are others? Okay, sorry, sir. You send Sahil. You send anyway. Sia.
Yes,
Sia.
sir.
Yes. Tell me how to solve this question. Rashi, you are correct. Tell me, Sia, how to
So,
solve this question.
2 angle A equals 3 angle B equals 6 angle C
Correct.
equals X.
Very good. Very good. X. Very yes. Now
So angle A equals X by 2.
angle A is equals to X by 2.
Angle B equals X by 3.
X by 3.
Angle C equals X by 6.
X by 6.
So angle A plus B plus C equals 180.
So we can say X by 2 plus X by 3
plus
plus
X by 6 equals 180.
Okay.
So now we can take LCM. So it will be 3x plus 2x plus x.
This one, we just hold on. Okay. So we did it. Okay, X by 2, X by 3, and X by 6. 2, 3 to LCM is 6. So 3x plus 2x plus
2x plus x.
6x by 6.
So it equals 180. So, 6 into 180 into 6 by 6.
So x is equals to 180.
Okay.
So angle A is equals to 180 by 2, which is equals
Is
to
equal to 90. 180 by 3.
Angle B is equals to
180 by 3, which is 60.
60. Angle C
equals 180 by 6, which is 30.
These are the 3 angles. Anyone who couldn't follow this? Anyone who couldn't follow this?
Sir, I understood this method, but I have applied another method.
Sir, can you
No
repeat?
Come on, Istan. Tell me which point you did not understand.
Sir, I didn't ask.
Sir,
So
I asked
there?
Aditya.
Aditya, which point you didn't understand? Tell me.
From second point.
Here.
Yes.
From here.
Yeah.
So this is equals to x, correct? So
Yes,
can
sir.
we say 2 angle A equals to x?
Yes, sir.
So angle is equal to what? X by 2?
Yes,
angle
sir.
A is equals to x by 2, right?
Yes, sir.
So angle B equals to x. So angle B is x by 3.
Yes, sir.
6 angle C equals to x. So angle C is equal to x by 6.
Yes, sir. 6 by.
So angle A, since it's a triangle, so angle A plus angle B plus angle C is what? 180 degree.
180 degree.
So can we do it? X by 2 plus x by 3 plus x by 6 is 180 degree.
Yes, sir.
Can find the value of x.
Yes, sir.
Now you know angle is equal to x by 2. So we can write 180 by 2, 90. Angle B is 180 by 3, 60. Angle C is 180 by 6, 30. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Got it.
Now next question. Now next question. In a triangle, angle A plus angle B equals to 65 degree. Angle B plus angle C equals to 140 degree. Correct? Find all angles. In triangle ABC, angle A plus angle is 65, B plus C is 140. Find all three angles.
Sir, isn't it 145?
It's given as 140 only on the question.
So I
Anyone?
sent it.
Okay, let me check. Ashish wrong. Rashi, you are correct. Two answers. Only Rashi, as of now, has given that right answer. Ashish, redo it. Aditya, correct.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, see, yeah, that's the correct answer. Others, can you please come? Bhanupriya, what happened? Siddharth, correct answer. Shrija, correct. Okay, Shrija, come online. Come online.
Yes, sir.
Tell me how to do this question.
So angle A plus angle B is equals to 65 and angle B plus angle C is equals to 140.
Okay.
So if we add all the angles, like angle A plus angle B plus angle B plus angle C,
Okay.
it has to be 65 plus 140.
So you are telling adding, if
And
I'll
then
take this equation as
one-
1 and 2,
Equation 1 plus
adding
equation 2 is equals to
adding 1 plus 2 is angle A plus angle B plus angle B plus angle C equals to 65 plus 140, right?
yes, sir.
Okay, now
So after that, we take angle A plus angle like bracket angle A plus angle B plus angle C, and then left out is plus angle B equals to 205. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degrees. So 180 degree plus angle B is equals to 205. So angle B will be 205 minus 180, which is 25.
angle B is
So
25. Now
yes. So angle C was 140 plus, angle B plus angle C was 140 degrees. So angle C will be 140 minus B, angle B.
replacing angle B in
20.
equation 1. Let's suppose equation 1. So angle A plus 25 is equals to 65. Angle A is equals to 65.
65 minus 25, 40.
Angle A is equals to 40. And replacing
Angle B in equation
angle
2.
B in equation 2. Angle B is
Angle B
25 plus angle C is equals to 140. Angle C is equals to 140 minus 25, which is equals
115.
to 115. Anybody who couldn't get it?
Sir, I got it, but I did it by another method.
No problem. That's
Yes, sir,
okay.
I did.
Anyone who couldn't get it, that person should tell me. Okay, good. So everyone got it. Method can be different. I can also solve in different way. You can solve in different way. That's that only thing. The process should be same and answer will come same. Now let's go back to some proving thing. I'm making a diagram. A, B, C, O. Correct? In a triangle ABC, OB, the bisector of angle B and C intersect each other at point O. So this is OB and OC is a angular bisector of this angle B and C. Correct? Akshaya,
Yes, sir.
what is angular bisector?
Um, uh, the line which bisects the triangle into half.
Line bisects the triangle into half.
So may I answer?
No. Akshaya,
Yes, sir.
a line which bisects triangle into half. Correct? Correct? Yes or no?
I don't know, sir.
Why you don't know? Angular bisector is a line which bisects angle into two equal halves. So OB is an angular bisector. That means this angle is equals to this angle. And OC is an angular bisector, means this angle is equals to this angle. Okay. So what you have to prove? Prove that angle BOC is equal to 90 plus 1/2 angle A. This is what you are supposed to prove it. This angle is equal to 90 plus half of this angle. Okay, so let's prove it. So how can we start? This angle A, I mean this angle plus this angle plus this angle is 180 degree. Can we write angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree? Okay. Anyone, if you have not understood at any point, please unmute yourself and ask me. At the end, when I will prove it, don't say ki I didn't understand first point. Okay, don't wait, you ask me. So we can say half of angle A plus half of angle B. Siddharth, half of angle C.
Sir.
So what will be the value of half of angle A plus half of angle B plus half of angle C?
Sir, I think it's
So
90.
the 90?
No.
How can you
Sir.
say 90? When angle A plus angle B is angle C is 180 degree, how can I half of angle A, half of angle B and half of angle C will be 90?
Sir, I don't know, sir.
Why you don't know? Aristan,
Sir,
what will be the value of this?
sir, no clue.
Wow. When this sum is 180 degree, when everything you are dividing by 2, it will be, this will also be divided by 2. Didn't get? Siddharth, Aristan.
Sir, you said it's not 90.
I didn't say. I said, is it 90? Strongly I asked Siddharth. I didn't say this is not 90. I just asked, is it 90?
First even I thought it's 90, but then you said I'm like, okay.
I didn't say no, it's not 90. I said, is it 90? And then your confidence level shook up. If sir is telling, then there is some doubt. Siddharth?
Sir.
Why? You don't know my habit? When you are right, you should be confident. Yes, this is 90. I will make you confused. You have to be very, firm. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So when we say half of angle A, what is half of angle B here? Can we write it? Angle OBC. Half of angle B is this one. Correct? Plus half of angle OCB is what? Half of angle C is what? Angle OCB equals to 90. Is it okay? This statement
sir.
okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
You
Since
have
they're
to respond
bisector.
me. Yes, you are bisector. That's why, since it's a bisector, OB is a bisector. So half of angle B is what? We can as OBC, and half of angle C is OCB. Is it okay? 90.
Yes, sir.
Now can we write it? Angle OBC plus angle OCB CB equals to 90 minus. Can we write it like this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what? In triangle OBC, triangle is. In triangle this OBC, we know that this angle OBC, this angle plus OCB, this angle is equals to what? Can we replace it by BOC? 180, this angle. In this triangle, you see OBC. In triangle OBC, this angle plus this angle plus this angle is 180 degree.
Yes, sir.
Sum of angle of a triangle. So can we write angle angle BOC plus angle OBC plus angle OCB equals to 180 degree. Now angle OBC plus angle OCB equals to 180 minus angle BOC. Can we write it like this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is equation 1. This is 2. So replacing angle OBC plus angle OCB in equation 1. What we can write it? 180 minus angle BOC equals to 90 minus half of angle A. Can we write it like this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now what is your target? Your target is BOC and A. So we have got BOC and A. Rest are numbers. Let's find out what is BOC from this. So we take this BOC this side. So angle BOC equals to, can we write it as 180 minus 90 plus half of angle A, which is nothing else but angle BOC equals to 180 minus 90 is what? 90
plus half angle A.
plus half angle A. Proved? Proved or not?
Yes,
Proved,
sir.
sir.
Did you understand the approach? I'm talking about the approach. What was our target? In terms of BOC and angle A, we were supposed to find the relation. So we started with what? BOC is this one and angle is this one. So there are two triangles. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degree. Then we move to this half of angle A, half of angle B, half of angle C. So now in second triangle, this angle plus this angle plus this angle is 180 degree. And we replace the value. Please write it. Anyone who couldn't understand, you can ask me again. Now only. Please write it. Please write it. Written, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So 1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
You have RS Agarwal with you now? Everyone?
Sir, it's in my bookshelf.
No, sir.
Go and get it.
Go and get it. Those who have, please go and
No,
get
sir.
it. Those who don't have, I am sending it. I'm sending it.
Yes, sir. Took it.
So what should we do in RS Agarwal?
Questions, you have to solve the question. I'm sending you. First 15 questions, quickly solve it. The rest I'm sending it now.
So page number?
Triangle, there's only one exercise. I think exercise 8, no? Exercise 8, you have to do it.
Sir, I did not receive it yet, sir.
So how many should we do, sir?
First 15 question.
Sir, so can you add me in the group so I can get the PDF?
I have already added you in the group, no?
Sir, no, sir. There's no group in the phone. I didn't check.
I mean, sir, in my group, I did not get it yet, sir.
Yes, sir.
The group is still not. We still did not get it.
2021.
Sahil, I know because I'm scanning it. In next 1 minute you will get.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So can you add me also?
I already added last time and you have exit. Isn't it?
Sir, I didn't.
Yeah, last class I added you, no? To that.
Sir, that my father would have exited the group because my phone doesn't have space.
You have RS Agarwal already with you. Siddharth, you have RS Agarwal, no?
Yes, sir, I have.
You can start doing from exercise 8, no? Exercise 8. Yes. Sent. Have you received, everyone?
Yes, sir, I got it.
Okay. Now I will put
Yes,
it
sir,
here
sir,
also.
I got it now, sir.
I'll put it here as well. Anyone who doesn't have phone with them,
Sir, can you add me?
Yes, sir. Actually, can you put it over here only, sir?
here I'll put it. Wait. That also
Sir,
I'll
this
do.
is RS Agarwal.
Yes.
So we are supposed to do first 15 questions, right?
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Can you see? Can you see? I have
Okay.
shared.
Yes, sir,
Can
yes,
you
sir.
see?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
ठीक है. Please go ahead. Go ahead and do it. Very quickly, you have to finish all these 15 questions now only. Yeah, I did you.
First 15 questions, right?
First 15 questions.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, you are added now.
Sir, thank you, sir. I got it. Thank you, sir.
Vijay? Vijay?
Yes, sir.
Can you open your camera?
Sir?
Can you open your camera?
Yes, sir. Wait a minute. Sir.
Yes. Tell me, what is centroid?
Sir?
What is centroid? By the way, this is a big change in you, specs.
Sir, no, sir, it's anti-glare.
Okay, anti-glare. So what is centroid? What is in center?
Sir?
What is in center?
Sir,
What is circumcenter?
I have no idea, sir.
What is orthocenter?
Sir, I didn't listen yesterday.
Okay. So how to go about, Vijay?
I was doing those sums.
This I taught in the last class. I gave 2-3 minutes to revise. Then I asked everyone. That was done.
Sir, I was doing the sums which you gave me, sir.
हाँ ठीक है तो I'm not telling you have to do it in the class only. Last class only I taught you in
Yes,
center, orthocenter, circumcenter, centroid, median, altitude, perpendicular bisector, angular bisector.
Yes, sir.
Vijay,
Yes, sir.
You are losing track and you have lost too much. You have to, I mean, see what you can do. Okay.
Yes.
Aristan, open your camera. Tell me everything.
Centroid.
Everything. Explain me what I taught. Others, please do that questions. Yes.
Sir, I can switch off my video.
Yes, yes.
Sir, centroid is the center of a triangle or an object at any given point. Sir,
Centroid is the center of an object or a triangle at any given point. Means?
sir, it is Sir, I'm not able to explain it, but I know what it is.
Tell me. You explain in your words.
Sir, can you just say what should I explain? Like define.
What is centroid?
Sir, centroid is a point in a triangle. Is a point in a triangle passing no. Sir, don't know.
What is median?
Sir, median is the middle line passing through a triangle.
Median is a middle line passing through a triangle.
Median is a line that passes through the triangle, intersecting the triangle into two equal halves.
No. What is angular bisector?
Sir, just now you said. Sir, angular bisector bisects the triangle into two equal halves.
No. Just now I said, and you also know it, but still you haven't followed. Okay, okay, I understand. Mac, open your camera. Tell me,
Yes, sir.
tell me, are you there? I mean, you're, anyway. What is perpendicular bisector? Please tell me, you speak. What is perpendicular bisector? What is angular bisector?
Which bisects the angle into equal parts.
What is altitude? What is in center?
Sir, where the point where two interior bisectors meet of a triangle.
Come again?
The point where two interior bisectors meet of a triangle.
Point where two interior bisector. What is interior bisector?
So the point where
Uh,
the point
Don't-
where bisectors of the triangle meet.
No. You are near but very far. What is centroid?
Centroid. So where the so the point where the perpendicular of the triangle meets.
Perpendicular of the triangle meets.
Very
Okay. Back. Vishal?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Open your mic, my camera.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is altitude?
Sir, altitude is the height of the triangle.
Okay. So basically what? How it is drawn?
So it's drawn from the center of the triangle, from the midpoint of line BC.
Midpoint of line BC is an.
Sir, it can be drawn from anywhere.
Drawn from anywhere.
Of the triangle.
That is altitude. What is perpendicular bisector?
Sir, perpendicular bisector is the line which divides the triangle into two equal parts or congruent parts.
Sorry. What is in center?
Sir, in center is the intersection of the intersection point of the angular bisectors.
Yes, that is correct. What is angular bisector?
Sir, angular bisector is the line which bisects the angles into two halves.
What is orthocenter?
Orthocenter is the intersection of point of orthocenter. Sir, of perpendicular bisector.
Perpendicular bisector.
Yes, sir.
Is orthocenter.
Yes,
What is
sir.
circumcenter then?
No, sir, circumcenter is for by a perpendicular bisector.
Then
Sir,
what is-
median.
What is centroid?
Sir,
Wait, Siddharth.
no, sir. May I go get my laptop?
Yeah, please. Yes, what is centroid then? Vishal? Okay, anyway, at least you answered few questions. I'm happy. Thank you.
Sir, when will this video be uploaded? Because I'm not able to see your screen.
I've asked you to solve the question. You have RS Agarwal with you?
No, sir.
I have sent it on WhatsApp also.
Oh, okay, fine, I'll check.
Shrija,
Yes, sir.
Open your camera. Yes. Yes, I can
Yes.
see you, Srija. What is centroid?
Yes. The point of intersection of the medians of a triangle.
And what median?
The point of intersection of the medians of a triangle.
What is median?
A line segment which joins the midpoint of a line to its opposite vertex is called as a median.
Very good. What is orthocenter?
Orthocenter is the intersection point of the altitudes of a triangle.
And what is altitude?
Um, it is a line segment drawn from the vertex to the opposite side of the triangle, opposite line of the triangle.
Again, come again.
It is a line segment which joins a vertex to the opposite line of the triangle.
Is it complete? What you said?
No, sir, I
Then
don't.
what is missing? You're missing something. Any line can be a perpendicular.
Sir?
Yes. Yes,
No,
tell
sir.
me. Okay.
So what?
I asked you, is it complete definition? Any line segment which joins the opposite side is perpendicular, is altitude. It should be perpendicular to the opposite side, right?
Perpendicular line joining
Yes.
which joins the vertex to the opposite line of the triangle.
Yes, perpendicular is very important, otherwise gone.
Yes.
What is circumcenter?
The point of intersection of the perpendicular bisectors on the side of a triangle.
And what is perpendicular bisector?
The perpendicular bisector is a line which divides the triangle into two
forming 90 degree
equal
triangle.
and congruent parts.
A line, an angle that bisects a side forming 90 degree.
Yes, yeah, got it. Shrija, there is one new student, Shrija. So she is answering Sia. I'll come back to you, Sia. Yes, Shrija. What
Yes,
is in
sir.
center?
In center is the point of intersection of the internal bisectors of a triangle.
What is internal bisector of a triangle?
Sir, I don't know that.
You said just now a point of intersection of internal bisector of a triangle. So my question is, what is internal bisector of a triangle? What do you mean by internal bisector of a triangle?
Bisectors lying inside the triangle.
It is a point of intersection of an internal bisector of an angle.
Sir?
In center is a point of intersection of the internal bisector of the angle of a triangle. Angular bisector or internal bisector angle. Both are same.
Okay, sir.
Point
Okay,
of
sir.
intersection of angle or internal bisector of an angle. Whatever, both are correct.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
yeah,
Thank
very
you.
good.
Thank you, sir. So shall I switch off my camera?
Yes, yes. Question 1 to 5. Anyone couldn't do? Achha, everyone has done it. Okay. So, Akshaya,
Yes, sir.
what's your fifth answer?
Sir, I'm doing the fifth one.
Achha, doing the fourth. What is your fourth answer?
Sir, C is 72.
Okay.
A is B is 58 and A is 50.
Okay. Okay. Siddharth,
So,
how many questions you did?
sir, I'm on the ninth one. Right?
Ninth one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What's your eighth answer?
So, which one, sir?
Eighth.
Should I look into my notebook?
Yes, yes.
Yes. Sir, I got Z equals 72 degrees.
Okay. That's other.
Not fine.
Achha, I'm just giving you one. You are supposed to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You keep it as it is because it is proving. Then do 14, 15, 16. Okay.
Should I go on mute?
Go on. Proving part as of now, you can do it as homework. As of now, I want this number from, this angle calculation only.
Which question should we do now, sir?
You do till 1, 17, 19, to 19 except 11, 12, 13. Except 11, 12, 13. Till 19 you finish. Except 11, 12, 13. And ask me anyone who is not able to do, please ask me.
14th one we should do, right?
Except 11, 12, 13. Till 19 you finish. Except 11, 12, 13. One to five. Anyone has any doubt?
Sir, I have a doubt. Not from 1 to 5. So, we shouldn't do 10, 11, 12, and 13, 14, or 11, 12, 13.
10 you have to do. 11, 12, 13 you can leave it. 10 you have to do. Till 10 question, anyone has any doubt?
Son, ninth one.
Ninth one, okay. question is, ninth one, I'm doing it. If you have anyone has doubt, please listen. Of the three angles of a triangle, ninth question is, of three angles of a triangle. So let's make a triangle A, B. See, there are three angles. Of three angles of a triangle, one is twice the smallest and another is thrice the smallest. Find the angles. So if I say the smallest is X, this one is X, this one is twice the smallest, and another one is thrice the smallest. They have asked to find you angles. Krishna.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Whenever see mathematics, when they are given in words, you try to put it in diagram. As soon as you will put it in diagram, you can get the solution. I have not solved this question, but you got it. How you got? Because I put it in diagram. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. So 1 to 10, everyone done? Anyone who couldn't finish till 10 question? No.
So I didn't complete till 10. I'm in the 8th one.
Okay.
I am also doing the 8th one.
Okay, 2 of. Anybody else?
Sir, I finished.
Till 10 question?
Yes, sir. I left 11, 12, and 13.
10 question you have done. Anybody else except Harshini and Akshaya?
So me also, sir. A 7th question.
Okay, do it. At least till 10 question you do, then only you can leave. And I'll give you homework.
What's the homework, sir?
No, I'm writing it here.
Okay.
I expect that you solve these questions. You will have doubt, but don't worry, that I will take care. But I expect that you attempt this question and try as many as possible to solve by yourself.
Sir, this is the homework, right?
Yes, homework. This is classwork and this is homework.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, one very important thing. After this chapter, I have already told you I'm starting revision. Okay. So how I'm going to do the revision? First thing, the days I will tell you which day, which chapter. Let's suppose Monday. I asked you polynomial. Means before you join the class, you are supposed to send me PDF file of all questions which you did in RS Agarwal and NCERT. 2 different PDF file. Don't send me pictures. Send me PDF file with the name RS Agarwal polynomial. Or you write it polynomial. Polynomial NCERT. Okay. 2 PDF I want. Let's suppose Monday you have to join the class and the revision is polynomial. Before joining the class, 2 hours before, I want these PDF on my WhatsApp. And this PDF, each and every question should be solved. You cannot skip any question. You have to solve. We have already done polynomials and our queries have been already taken care. you have already solved these questions. I want you have to scan it and send it, each and every question. And if you have not done, please finish it off. This will be, once I will receive, then in class, I can call any one of you and ask you to solve question from RS Agrawal or NCERT. Failing to solve that question, you will be next. This is solution. You have to do solve it. If you are not able to solve, you will be penalized. Okay.
Sir,
Yes, Manish.
I have a doubt in the 10th one.
10th one. Okay, I'll do it. First, this
If
flow
it's
chart,
no
you understand the revision flow chart.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I'm done till 19th.
Okay, ठीक है.